If I got a two small chicks and a bright pink lips, baby, would you want it to kiss me? Maybe then